everybody, so today we're making rice Christmas cookies. So first, you're going to need 2 egg whites. Here's how we're supposed to mix it. You'll need an electric mixer. Hopefully it won't splash around. It will become bubbly. That's all I know. What? Okay, that was a bit too close today. It's hard to control this.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go.
Okay, that's good. Next ingredient.
They make our spirits bright.
Now we're going
Fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Sleigh. A day or two ago,
white sugar or powdered sugar, preferably powdered.
Was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank. Misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank.
Preferably rose water for the smell. It's super smell. Smells so good. I really prefer it. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just gonna guess that's good, even though it didn't really go all teaspoony, but guess it's good. One-fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder. You'll need about this many cardamom seeds. Let's pour. This is again for the smell.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
This is going to be our last ingredient. 2 cups and 1/4 of a cup of rice flour. And you can put some coconut flour also. Optional, but I do. Just gonna pour a little. It's gonna be too splashy if you pour all of it at once.
Is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank. Misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and we got upset. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Open sleigh. Now the ground is white, so go it while you're young. Take the girls tonight and sing the sleighing song. Just get a bobtailed nag, 240 for his.
Oh, and finally gonna lick this to see if it tastes good. Actually, it tastes really good. Let's get to rolling and flattening. If you want, you can refrigerate it for 20 minutes, but we didn't do that because I'm not a very patient guy. You know, we have sprinkles and we're just gonna put some balls inside. Here's one that we tried. They said it would be harder to, you know, roll, but it's actually really easy if you don't put it in the refrigerator. You're gonna put a hole in every one. That's where we put the frosting, and then some sprinkles out here. We're gonna put the sprinkles at the very end. We don't have to show that. We'll just show one cookie of putting sprinkles on. That's a bit small. I guess that's good. We made all the cookies with a hole in it. We'll put the sprinkles on the side. Just like, geez, this is gonna take forever. One cookie's bad enough. We put on all the sprinkles and we're going to put it in the oven for 15 to 22 minutes and the temperature is going to be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's put some frosting on. We already put some green. I'm just gonna put some blue in also. Oh, geez. Okay, we're done now. This was supposed to be Earth. Honestly, it's not a bad icing. Earth, really good actually. Oh, this was also good. Now it looks like a blue monster. It's really nice. So it's time for a taste test. I'm going to I'm just gonna eat the one with less icing. Really good. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, comment, and share.